Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, The Stock Analyst. This video is on Sndl, which is for Sundial growers, and I made a promise that I will make an update video on Sndl because in this channel I cover Sndl a lot and we have been holding Sndl. So if you are a Sndl lover or you are holding Sndl or you are planning to enter, then this is a place you should subscribe because we cover Sndl a lot. And also, if you find this video useful, please do not forget to hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. So first of all, what is happening with Sndl? We know it went to 1.6 at one point. It kept up, went all the way, but with time it is coming down, 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 down. But the good thing is, if I just quickly draw a line here, just connecting the top, seems like we are sitting at a very important point because it goes up, comes down, again it tries to push up, but it is making lower highs. At this point, are we gonna bounce this line and come down, or are we just break this pattern and we will go up? So in this video I'll talk about mostly the chart, the support, resistance and the pattern, and also then I'll just do other things. So anyway, so many articles are coming. Will Sndl growers banking play make investors rich? 3 ways, blah blah blah. Why AMC Clover stock and Sndl stock tumble today? Anyway, so we know about the short interest, and currently the short interest is 22% as of 11th of June. And we know short interest, why it is important, because we have been covering this for some time. Also look at the volume. The average volume is 292 million, and last Friday the volume was only 81 million. As long there is no volume, this thing can't move. We need volume, volume, volume. When more volume will come, definitely this thing will go up. If you want to see how volume matters, look at the yellow lines here. These are the volume. More volume, more spike, and the blue one is this color. More yellow, more volume, more spike. More yellow, more volume, more spike. So it makes sense, right? More volume, so more spike, more trading. So what is happening now? For last 2 days, you see we had back-to-back 2 days, big amount of volumes coming, right? Then it is slowing down. You see the bars at the very end in this chart, it is slowing down. So less volume, that's the problem, right? Nothing changed fundamentally. The only problem is the volume. Look at the chart, you see the volume, even it was higher in the morning than during the day, very flat. Also, if you look at the implied volatility for this particular stock, up and down, up and down. So very volatile, but again a very good place to make money if you are a swing trader or a day trader. And definitely some people are long in this particular channel, so I know. And also, like, why not long? Because first time we talked about this stock, it was around 80 cents. We went all the way to $4, then we came back and we are just buying the dips. So let's look at the chart now. You see the two black line, this is the thing I'm talking about. You see it has been making lower high, at the same time you can see some higher lows. So this is sitting at a very important point. Can we just break this particular downtrend, or can we move sideways, or can we go down? Look at the volume bars here at the bottom, it has drastically went down. So if there is no volume, this thing will slowly bleed and it will come back to maybe around 97-98 cent. And 70 was way too far, but I think at this point we should not be worried about 70 because we have some kind of support around 95-97 cent area. On the other hand, if we move sideways even on low volume, it's okay, but if we want to go higher, definitely we go through past the black line here, or more specifically I will say around 1.1. So once we break 1.1, then and we maintain 1.1 as a support, I think this thing will start towards the next journey, which will be around 120-125. You see these kind of resistance are sitting around here. Once we break this, we go towards 1.35, then even higher. And don't forget, few days before we went up to 1.6. and if you look at the chart, yeah, it could be a U-shaped recovery. We went, then again came down. So this is very important how next few days will play. If we can break, we go up, definitely fine, or we might come down. Let me draw you something. I think you know about a cup and handle pattern, right? I think this is, you know, if you're following this. So suppose this is your main cup, right? So this is the cup and the handle is currently half. So if things are going good, if this comes like this, So that will complete the cup and handle pattern. And usually when cup and handle pattern breaks the top resistance, which is around 1.5 in this area, this thing will go higher. Or if it can't, maybe it can come down again. You can say there is a triple bottom. So that is way far because currently we are sitting at 1.06. But if you see this thing is following like this, definitely we will go and we will hit towards 1.5 area. If we don't say 1.5, what about 1.35 area? You can still make a cup starting from the green line here. 1.35, go up, come down. So anyway, you see the picture. So this is the most important thing. So we have to break through this pattern. We have to go above 1.1, then we will go towards completion of the handle. So then the cup and handle will be completed. On the other hand, if we tumble, we can come down to maybe 95 cent, 98 cent. I'm not talking about 80 cent, 72 currently, but yeah, but I think this thing will explode at one point. Once the volume will come, this thing will explode. And don't forget AMC, BlackBerry, those things. And I'm expecting most probably AMC will have an insane week this coming week. And if AMC is going higher, then this thing will definitely go higher. We just need the volume. That's the only thing. Now look at the big picture. Last time you remember when AMC, GME, everything was going up, this thing went from 80 cent. At that time I started 80 cent. We went all the way like 4.8. You see how far we went. Then we came down. We tried to push a couple of times, again came down again. So on a bigger picture, you see, sorry, I don't want to draw this line. Just on a bigger picture, you see around 1.75. This is an important area. Then again we have 1.6. So there are some barriers we have to break, 1.6, 1.75. But at one point, whenever we will break this 1.6, you see how far we can run, because after 1.6 there is no real resistance. Maybe we will have some resistance around 2.3 or something, but this thing can really fly. If there is a short squeeze, lots of volume coming, then you know what can happen. Now look at the volume, the call volumes here. Just want to show, because call volume also give you some indication what people are predicting in near future. So let me look at the call volume. So I'm going to look at 18th of June call volume. So you see some open interest around $3, also 40,000 call option around $2 strike, and the current price is only $1. So these guys are still waiting by next 7 days Sndl to go $2. Wow. What about 25th of June, 41,000 call options waiting at 1.5. So people are predicting big move. That is exciting. What about July 16th? This is the monthly expiration date of call option, and look at 57,000 call option waiting at 4 strike price. Wow, they are predicting 4. 47,000 waiting at 3 strike price. So they are predicting $3. Wow. And 71,000 call option waiting for 2 strike price. So you see they are betting big that Sundial will go to 2.5, Sundial will go to $3, $4, $5. You see, big money are waiting, right? And what about October? Maybe it is too far, people are not buying, but oh, this is exciting. 146,000 call options are waiting for Sundial to hit $4 by or next January. Yeah, these are some kind of leap option. So some people are very bullish and they do not want to enjoy or have the fun of recent volatility, so they just buy call option way far and just forget and they let it grow. So they believe that Sundial will grow to $4 by next year January. So still they have 6 months, 224 days. So you see the picture, right? So there are money waiting. Again, up to you. If you want, you want to join them, this call option will cost only $25. Just spend $25 and just enjoy. If it goes up, entirely up to you how you want to play with call option. Normally penny stock, they are very volatile, very volatile. At the same time, it can give you huge potential, huge reward. At the same time, it comes with huge risk. And if you look at the chart, I always refer back to chart. If someone thinks that Sundial will go to $10 and they buy the stock at $5, they are holding the bag and they are praying whenever Sundial will go to 5. Oh, I just want to sell and get it. So again, this, you see, it went so high from $1 to $5 and again came back to $1. You see this, right? So if you play it correctly, you can make a lot of money. But if you do not know what you are doing, you just buy, you just look at the hype and everything, and then you buy, then yeah, there is a huge downside. You are bag holding. If you sell, you are in loss. If you are still holding, this is called bag holding, right? You just want this to go to $5 so that you can get out. And this is how resistance work. When we say this thing will have a resistance around 1.6, it means that so many people bought at 1.6 and they are just waiting. Whenever Sundial will go back to 1.6, they will sell, and that is why it hit resistance and comes back. But if there is more buyer, then they will just buy. So it does not matter how many people are selling, because the people are buying and they are keeping the price higher. And that is why the volume is so important. You know, we talk about volume, we say, okay, we need volume, but why we need volume? This is why we need volume. You see, volumes are dying. We need volume, and whenever volume will come, this thing will spike. See, last time here we were here, spike. We just need volume. That's the only thing. Anyway, I just wanted to give you an update on Sndl and what we are thinking. Without volume, I think it will be hard for this thing to go beyond 1.6. So yeah, that's it. And if you find this information useful, please hit the like button, and please subscribe to my channel. I also have a community. You will see the join, or you will also see my description, or in the first comment I talk about join my community. You pay 10 cents per day, you join my community, and if you have any question, then I can post only for the member specific. I can just draw the chart for you, so you get some added benefit compared to the other subscriber or non-subscriber. Anyway, my friend, if you enjoyed the video, I'm happy. Thank you very much for watching this particular video. Take care and peace.